up, guys? And today we're playing Teardown again. But recently I got on vacation and I'm living right now in America. But we have music.
America.
We have the tank. We have this, cola. This. I was in my room for a while, like probably like a couple months. What do you have in news report? Yeah, because it's kind of cold in here. You know, lit some right here.
We have new information now also on the plane crash. CTV has just learned the names of the 4 pilots who were on board the flight. They are Captain Sum Ting Wong, Wee Tu
That's
Lo,
good.
Ho Lee Fook, and Bang Ding Ao.
We have
the
some
NTSB has confirmed these are the names
campfire,
of the pilots on board flight 214 when it crashed. We are working to determine exactly what role them played during the landing.
Okay, that's really booming. I'm just gonna. We need to get some groceries. Oh shoot! My house is on fire. This should be good. You have no idea what this is. This is this. So that's what it is. I'm gonna put it in my car just so I can like run and do something with it, you know, when I need it. When I need my laptop, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Let's go cop some groceries. And as well explore America. Where should I park? Definitely not there. Probably should park right here. There you go. Good.
Man, fuck.
What you said? What
Do
you said?
know me?
What you said?
What the fuck you staring at?
Town, like. Hello. Do you guys know me?
Greetings,
How goes
stranger.
it?
I ran across a ghost once.
Okay, yeah, I'm definitely not.
I'm just trying to help you.
I'm just gonna cop some. What I should cop? I should cop some Doritos, or I should cop actually a burger. There you go. I'm done my grocery shopping. That's how you do the grocery shopping right there. Let's go right here. Hi sir, I would like to get this burger. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna beep it. Thank you. Yeah, we done our grocery shopping on our list. I'm just gonna put that in the car and we shall be going. Man, please move. I have better issues to solve. I'm gonna put that in. My engine looks fine. Okay, good. Right, there you go. And yeah, guys, don't forget, we are so close to like 100 subscribers already. So please don't, if you're not subscribed and watching this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like, drop a like, you know, just like always. Thank you really much. Oh, they have put it up. Oh. Pretty trash. This is pretty trash, you know. No one likes them anyway. I'm just gonna put that was existing. In my living room edition? Yeah, that. There. What the? My computer died. Guess I need a new computer. Can I like you? There was like drifting show near the Walmart. There you go. I'm gonna say that and put here. Drift show. What do we have in the folder, by the way? What up, son? Oh, what up, son? Yeah, that's from Bone Lab. those who know, you will know that what that is. My computer for some reason didn't shut down at first. No, it did. You know what? I'm just gonna go and chill and see what happens. Oh shit! It starts raining. That wasn't up to plan. What's this again? I want to see what this is because if in a wrong thing, I don't want to drive in my top successful business center. Okay, that's something new. But it's kind of raining. Oh shoot! I forgot my computer. Flip. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. Hey, what up, ma'am? Oh shoot! Is this a successful business center? You said, yeah. What the heck? Be business successful job, yeah? What do you type? Ma'am, it's not time to watch YouTube. It's time to just, you know. Ma'am, are you okay? You know, ma'am, actually we have a reason for that. We have some games installed in my computer, which is kind of up in a big deal, you know. That's something new. We have pay, we have games, we have this, but they are all installed, okay. We have info, okay, that's really good. Settings, volume, that's really good. We have music. That's some busted music, ma'am. Pass. Go pass, okay? Yeah. Cheese? What is about cheese? What is it? I don't know what cheese is. Oh, gosh, I'm getting wet, bro. I'm getting wet again. I'm getting wet. I'm just gonna go back to my house, you know. We need to get some sleep. I don't know, man. This is like this day is like so flippin'. Like, what is that, bro? Like, I'm tired of seeing this shit. Good morning. It doesn't seem to be like it's a morning right now, but you know, it's 3 p.m. It's fine. It's 3 p.m. You know. Is that a Fortnite boss? Am I tripping out right now? Is that a Fortnite boss? Okay, I eat my fries. What is this? Blue Tide? There's a flippin' Blue Tide store? I gotta get this. I need to see that. What the flip? I need to go investigate that. I forgot something. Like always, I forget something. I forget my computer. For those who don't know, I always bring my laptop just in case of an emergency. You do gonna need a laptop. It's fully charged, has RTX 4070 or 4070, and yeah, load it up. Let's go. Jump it in our Tahoe. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna see that for a minute. Hey, sir. Okay. There's nothing I can do about it. Except there's one thing actually I can do about it. enjoy, sir. Gotta see that though. Oh shoot. What are you guys doing?
Police! Drop your weapon now. You resisting arrest. I'm calling for backup. Police! Drop your weapon now. You're gonna be in trouble. Police! Drop your weapon now. You resisting arrest.
What do you say?
Well, there's nothing we can do about it.
Actually, there's one thing you can do about it.
Oof, I can smell something.
Sir, why are you standing right there? Come on and help.
Nothing we can
You just do this and then
There's nothing we can
you just... And that's what happens.
smell.
If you need to be more specific, you can just click it again and just... If more specific, just... Choose multiple and just... If really more specific, just... Choose that. If really specific, just pour off some gas. Gassy right here. Just all over the place and just... There. Yeah. That's definitely what you can do. For sure.
Well, there's nothing we can do about it.
Can you please shut up? Like, you're being annoying right now. Are you-
Oof, I can smell something bad.
Oh my. There you go. Problem really so. Oh, the light is glitching. Okay. What time is it? It's. Bro. It's 5. What? 5. 5. And yeah, it's 5 right now. I am. Notes. I flamed up the trailer. There you go. Shutting it off. What's in this house?
And my wife, by the way, we're at a community college. My wife is teaching today. My wife is a full-time college professor at a community
Okay, there's
college.
nothing going on down there. Why is there only buff
I need
like Trump
your money to buy
Biden?
American aloe. I need your money to buy American Civil War.
Yes.
I need your money to buy American depository receipt.
No, you are
Your money to
no.
buy.
Okay, so it's time to get back home, you know? Go back home.
Ooh, woo!
What the f-
I identify as a puppy. I'm a dog. Give me your sausage.
Bro, did he just... Ain't no way... Wait, what?
Woof, woof. Gar. Woof. Ooh, woo!
What the
I-
fuck? Get me
give
with,
me your
this,
sausage.
with that ooh. No, you are no. Let me just put some tablets in. Let me just flush them down the toilet. It just sounds like it's broken. My shower doesn't work. Okay, well, what's in here? Yeah, let me just put them back in. There you go. yeah. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.